Hi, boys and girls. My name is Miss Cameron, and I'm here to teach you your, just in case you missed a math lesson, live lesson. So today we learned lesson 5. And in our lesson today, we're learning about the unknown. We're trying to solve for the unknown. So in lesson 5, we have bird watching with Johnny Appleseed. So we are going to start today with a story. And we listened to a story about Johnny Appleseed today. So, of course, if you click on the link, it will read the story to you. Um, Our learning goal was I can add or subtract within 20 using strategies. And so our vocabulary today was subtraction, which means to take one quantity away from another. For an example, would be 8 minus 2 equals 6. And then addition would be to join two or more numbers or quantities. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then we also learned a new term, decompose. Decompose, boys and girls, means to break apart a number or quantity into parts. So if I had a 10, the two parts would be 8 and 2. So here is a word problem that we're going to launch the lesson with. Bird watching with Johnny Appleseed. Johnny Appleseed saw 9 bluebirds and 1 robin sitting in an apple tree. There were a total of 10 birds in the tree. So we know that in this particular diagram, there we have the part, and the whole unknown. So we have the two parts covered up. So that means that we are solving for the whole unknown. And we don't know what that is. So we call that the unknown. So how many birds did Johnny Appleseed see in the tree? So if Johnny Appleseed saw 9 bluebirds in the tree, Johnny Appleseed saw 1 robin in the tree. How many birds did Johnny Appleseed see in the tree? So that is the whole unknown that we would solve for. On the next example, which is what we're going to practice today, is solving for the part unknown. So we have one part, a missing part, which is the unknown, and then we have the whole. So for an example, Johnny Appleseed saw 9 bluebirds in a tree. Johnny Appleseed saw some robins in the tree. The word some is a key word here, boys and girls. Some means I don't know, or question mark, mystery number. How many robins did Johnny Appleseed see in the tree? But they gave us the whole. Johnny Appleseed saw 10 birds in the tree. So that means that we would have to figure out how many steps there are to get between 9 to 10. Now, let's practice on the next slide. So if Johnny Appleseed saw 6 bluebirds and some robins sitting in an apple tree, there are a total of 15 birds in the tree. How many robins were sitting in the apple tree? Now we can solve this lesson using the open number line, which is how I'm going to demonstrate for you today. So, boys and girls, please follow along and watch with me.